The TeacherMade Short Answer feature is meant for short, one to several word answers that can be auto-graded. To add this question to your activity, start by drawing a box where you would like for it to be located, and then choose Short Answer from the pop-up menu that appears. This window will open up, prompting you to enter in your correct answer. Each short answer question type can have up to 10 possible correct answers, which is great if you would like to accept a range of answers or if you want to try to guess all the possible ways of how your students might answer this question. And this window also includes these 3 boxes at the bottom, which allows you to give some extra criteria TeacherMade can use when grading this question. The first checkbox makes it so that students' answers must match the case in order to be correct. The second tells TeacherMade to ignore punctuation marks in the student answer when grading. And the third allows a partial match in the student answer. This means that as long as your students include the key word that you've entered up above, then TeacherMade will mark this question correct, regardless of what other words they've included around that keyword. On this screen, you can also choose how many points you would like the question to be worth. Each short answer can be worth anywhere from 1 to 10 points, or you can choose not to score it. And then when you're done, hit Save Changes. On your menu bar, you can choose what color you would like the border to be, what font you want to use, the size of the font, and also the color of it. And you can also set the item points from your menu bar. Use the Control-D shortcut here to quickly duplicate all of your text boxes and drag them into place. This makes it so that all of your text boxes will be the same size and also so that your settings are the same throughout all of them. And then you can quickly click into each of them to add in the correct answer for each individual question. If we preview what your students will see, they will see 4 blank boxes where they can enter into them to type in their correct answers. And that's how you add the TeacherMade Short Answer question type to your activities.